Barcelona, a city where every corner tells a unique story, where history and culture dance with the beat of modern life. Over the coming weeks, join us as we dive into the heart of this fantastic city. From the stunning building of Gaudí to the lively rhythms of flamenco, Barcelona invites you to explore, discover, and be inspired. This is just not a journey through a city. It's an invitation to experience life in full color. Welcome to Barcelona, where every moment is a story waiting to be told. Welcome to Barcelona. We started our trip here in Barcelona.
It looks amazing, so tall, and the gentleman waiting for everybody greeting.
This one right here. A little bit creepy, but really nice. This is the entry to Poble Espanyol, and it's way better than we were expecting. Like, honestly, I never knew and I never heard about this place. It's the best surprise that we got. They have a show right there. I don't know what is Monika's reaction at the moment, but let me show you the entrance.
I love the energy of this place. Like, the vibe is like unreal. And here I have the map. The map is blocking me from everything.
Let us show you how the place looks. So they have a show right there inside, but look, on the left, as soon as you get in from the gate, look at this, they have this umbrella street, and on the other side, if you walk over there, they have all these decoration like a medieval town.
Our journey starts at Poble Espanyol, or Spanish Village, a special place that lets you explore the beauty of Spain's different regions all in one spot. This open-air museum was built for the 1929 International Exposition and was supposed to last only 6 months. But it became so popular that it's still here today. Imagine walking through a village with 117 buildings, each one a replica of a different part of Spain. It's like seeing the whole country in just one day.
This is the umbrella street. I know there are many umbrella streets around the world, but I don't visit them many often. Here's a fun fact, this is the first one that I walk through one of those. Really love it. You can see how nice this the town looks. It's very medieval. Really nice. So when you come in walking all this street, you can see how beautiful all these structures look, guys. Look how beautiful they are. And then you see this beauty right here, which represents the south of Spain. Now, the south of Spain has all this Muslim Arab influence since the south of Spain was conquered by the Arabs in the past. Did you know that?
No.
Yes. Like they used to call it in Spanish, los moros. Yeah. So basically the whole town is a representation of Spain in general. Say cheers, guys! Cheers. So they play for Barcelona now. Boom. So this is the Barrio Andalus, and this is the decoration, guys. So actually we're going to have dinner right there in the street, right here inside. But we're gonna take this route just to walk a little bit to see what we're gonna find. Look at the decoration, so beautiful. You can see it's South Andalusia. Wow. All the stores inside, they have little souvenirs, like for example, this one is from the south of Spain. Let me show you. They have all those gifts and all those with that decoration, stuff like this. They have lessons inside, like with clay, even for children, and they have the price if you want to buy them. Okay, so this is a Roman monastery, and then they have the infrastructure right here. And then this one, Barrio Andaluz, is like Andalusian neighborhood. Jeez. Even the art, they have some of the contemporary art, it look like Picasso styles. I love it. This is like Salvador Dali. The way Dali used to draw. All this thing, the master of the surrealism was Dali, and he used to paint all this. The most iconic is this one right here, which is a clock, and the other one is Picasso. It's so nice to see. This is Dali's style as well. Wow, it looks really, really nice. And obviously, all this can represent the art of Spain. This is Porta de Montblanc, one of the entrance to go to this amazing beauty here in Barcelona. To be fair, I think this is a hidden gem in Barcelona, which is underrated because not many people talk about it. But look, as soon as you get in, let me show you this view. Check this out, guys. It's like going to travel in the past in Spain. Today we're going to Tablao de Carmen, which is a flamenco show, and we're going in through this beautiful street. So let me show you guys. So this is Tablao de Carmen, and this is where we're coming for dinner. People are lining up right here. And yeah, we're going the last one to the line now, of course. Let's check it out. And it's moving pretty fast. And it's only 5:54. So very efficient, making sure that everything will start at 6 o'clock. Love it. Esa es la 33. Muchísimas gracias. Table. How are you feeling? Very excited. Good. Flamenco, a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage originated from Andalusia, combined singing, guitar playing, and dancing. In the heart of Poble Espanyol, we were captivated by the passionate rhythms of Tablao de Carmen, named after one of the most famous flamenco dancers of all time, Carmen Amaya. This place is not just a venue, it's an experience. As the performers took the stage, we could feel the intensity of their passion, the fire in their steps, and the story in every note. It's a reminder that life, much like flamenco, is a dance, full of highs, lows, and unforgettable moments. Show was amazing. We just finished, guys.
It was one of the best.
So if you ever had the chance to come and see it, guys, the Tablao de Carmen, really, really good. Come experience. No, it's very good. Very good. Like
the
like
singers, the dancers, they
everything.
were amazing.
I really enjoyed the whole experience, guys. It's totally worth it. Totally worth it.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through Poble Espanyol and the lively flamenco at Tablao de Carmen. We hope you loved exploring Barcelona's rich culture with us. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures from around the world.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where we dive deeper into the wonders of Barcelona. This is it for today, and ciao for now.